Passive income ideas to earn you money in 2022? Building passive income streams is a growing passion for lots of people, and you can see why. If you get it right, it can significantly increase your wealth and give you that financial freedom you've always dreamed of. In this video, we'll tell you about the best passive income ideas for 2022 and how you can get started on the ones that would fit in with your lifestyle. When it comes down to it, there are really only 3 ways you can earn passive income. Things you buy and sell on. Anything that you primarily pay money for and then earn passively from is a passive income stream that comes from a purchase. Things that you make. You can make things for passive income. Creating digital products is another example of passive income because once you've created them, the sales process can be automated, and you can earn for the lifetime of the product. Things that you rent. It's possible to earn money simply by renting things you already own, like your house. All you have to do is handle the renting out and returns of your items. Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." When you're earning from a passive income, you're no longer trading time for money, which is what you do when you earn active income. Instead, you're making money even when you sleep. Passive income is a way to reach your financial goals and become financially independent. Here are 30 ideas on what you could do to start your passive income dream. 1. High-yield dividend stocks and funds. Among dividend-paying stocks and funds are those that pay 4% or higher. To lower your risk, you can invest in high-yield dividend ETFs. You can do the research yourself or use a tool provided by your investment bank. Read over data that shows the stock or fund return over 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. Check to see what the dividend payout has been and if the payout is consistent. One risk to dividend stock investing that you should be aware of is that a dividend is not guaranteed, and businesses can do poorly or go bankrupt. 2. Crowdfunded estate agents. Similar to buying and renting your own property, crowdfunded estate agents allow you to invest with a company like Fundrise with a much smaller amount of money and collect your share of the rent and proceeds of owning that property. This hands-off solution gives you the power of being a landlord without having to do much except invest money and allocate it as you wish. Investing in crowdfunded real estate can be a long game, and you'll want to make sure you can have your money tied up for a few years. 4. Bond ladder. A bond ladder is when you purchase several bonds, generally maturing several months apart or 1 year apart each. When your 1-year bond matures, you receive income, which you can then keep or reinvest into another 5-year bond, which extends the life of your ladder by another year. You can repeat this process indefinitely, gaining passive income each time a bond matures. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a way to earn passive income by lending other people money. A site like Prosper will allow you to review potential borrowers seeking personal loans for things such as consolidating debt, paying off credit cards, funding a big event, starting a business, paying medical bills, and more. By stacking small amounts of money loaned out, you can create a cash flow of principal and interest coming back to you every month. Rates vary significantly on peer-to-peer lending platforms, but you can expect to see in the 4% to 6% range on average, though it's possible to earn more with some strategies. 6. Index fund investing. Unlike mutual funds, which are managed actively by a broker or investor, index funds are passively managed and come with much lower maintenance fees. What that means for you is that your money will grow faster in a typical index fund as less of your money will be absorbed by fees. So while you may not receive high dividend payouts in some index funds, your money will grow instead. 7. YouTube channel. YouTube is a competitive place, however, creating excellent videos can earn thousands. Creating how-to videos or reviewing products are 2 excellent ways to make money on YouTube. Getting started with YouTube generally takes time, and you'll want to learn good YouTube SEO so that viewers can find you. 8. Online courses. Online education has become incredibly popular over recent years. Websites like Udemy and Skillshare have created platforms that offer hundreds of online courses. If you have something you know a lot about and you're able to teach it to others, then creating an online course might make sense. Some popular topics you could look at are copywriting, social media management, bookkeeping, DIY projects, drawing, business management, budgeting, programming, and many more. 9. Books, ebooks. Writing a book or ebook can earn you passive income for years to come. You might pitch your idea to a publisher or self-publish on a site like Amazon. Books don't necessarily have to be long. Many informative books are short and to the point, meaning that you could pull in recurring income each month if you can write niche books regularly. The idea is that each book will serve as its own source of passive income, and you continually create more to buff up your monthly earnings. 10. Print on demand. Print on demand is a great way to earn money passively. You sell things like clothes with designs on them or other printed things like towels, shower curtains, wall art, and more. You don't have inventory as each item is printed when the item is ordered, hence print on demand. You can use your own website to show off your shop or use sites like Redbubble to sell. 11. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a process where items are shipped directly from the manufacturer to the customer via a third-party retailer that sells the goods through their website. In short, that means having a website where you sell goods produced by other companies, and you mark it up for a profit. A popular dropshipping website is AliExpress, which ships all sorts of products from China. You can pay a fraction of the price for an item on AliExpress and then mark it up on your website for sale to your customers. 12. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great side hustle that can be one of the best passive income ideas if you get enough traction. You can do affiliate marketing through a website, through YouTube, or through sharing on social media. With affiliate marketing, you'll earn commissions in a variety of ways. You may earn when someone buys something, when they sign up for something, or simply when they click on affiliate links. Signing up for an affiliate network will put you in front of hundreds if not thousands of companies that are looking for publishers like yourself to market their products. 13. Blogging. Blogging is an increasingly popular way to make money online. Many bloggers get discouraged after not seeing quick results. Blogging is a marathon, not a sprint. It can often take a beginner blogger over a year to start to earn any significant income, but that said, top bloggers earn a full-time income with their website, making blogging a great way to earn money while living the life you want. 14. Creating an app. If you have coding skills, you may consider creating an app. An app can be something you find on a mobile phone or software used on a computer. Other apps include premium plugins used on websites, paid themes used by WordPress site owners, or games that draw in players. It makes sense to think outside the box when creating apps because there are many apps out there, and competition can be fierce. Because of this, it pays to find a need that isn't being fulfilled and capitalize on that. 15. Instagram sponsored content. Gaining a following on Instagram can turn into a semi-passive income strategy that you can capitalize on. Once you've gained a following, you can reach out to brands in your niche to discuss sponsored content. Partnering with a brand and including their products or services in pictures and videos you're already creating is a great way to get started. You can also use affiliate links for items in your photos and videos and talk about them in your posts. 16. Stock photography. Stock photography is used all around the world in various forms of media for all kinds of companies. If you're good at photography, you can sell your photos on stock photo image sites. At stock photo sites, you're paid a commission every time your stock photo is downloaded. As an excellent photographer, you could upload dozens of pictures over time, ranging from landscapes to typical office pictures to people sitting around with each other and more, and turn that into a lucrative passive income side hustle. 17. Rent your home. Have a spare bedroom? Use a site like Airbnb to rent out your spare room to people staying in your area. A popular use of Airbnb is to own a vacation rental property and use Airbnb to rent it out during peak months. One idea is to rent out weeks or weekends to tourists and hire a company to clean up between guest stays. 18. Rent your car. Do you have an extra car or aren't using your car regularly? On a website like Turo, you can rent your car to people in your area. This is an excellent way to earn some extra income passively. If you rent through Turo, you can get insurance directly from their provider so that you don't have to worry about what happens in case your renter damages your car. 19. Rent out your garage. Similar to renting out a room in your home, you can rent out your garage to someone who needs a place for their extra stuff or to park their car. This can be especially good in the winter months for people who have nice cars that they want to keep safe from the snow or other inclement weather. 20. Advertise on your car. Some companies will pay you to let them advertise on your car. You'll be sent ads to place on the sides, front, or back of your car and paid to simply drive normally. This is an excellent option for commuters to earn money day to day, which can cover gas and car maintenance costs, leaving you more money each month for other things. 21. License music. Songs and jingles are needed for common media such as commercials, videos, apps, and more. So instead of getting signed for your music, what if you sold stock music instead? License your music on sites such as Audio Jungle or Pond 5. By doing this, you can start earning money from your music without having to break into the music industry. 22. Cashback apps. A form of passive income is apps that pay you to spend money. That may seem odd, but if you're already going to buy something online, wouldn't it be nice to get a percentage of that money back? Swagbucks is an app that allows you to earn cash back from scanning your receipts, shopping online, and trying out products and services. For grocery stores and retailers, check out Ibotta to start earning cash back whenever you shop for specific items. In the UK you could also try Utility Warehouse. Not only does it save you money on your energy bills, but there are other benefits as well. 23. Cashback credit cards. Some credit card companies pay you in the form of cash and rewards for using their cards. If you frequently use credit cards to pay for everyday purchases and bills, it may make sense to get a cashback credit card. You may find yourself earning a base of 1% cashback with higher percentages for specific purchases. 24. Robo-investing. When you use robo-investing, an algorithm allocates your money for you based on the financial goals that you provided. Robo-advisors have become increasingly popular in recent years, though they should not replace getting sound investment advice from a financial advisor should you have financial questions and concerns. That said, through robo-investing, you may be able to up your returns and earn passive income without having to think much more about it except for determining your initial goals and investing money regularly. 25. Install apps on your phone. You can earn passive income just by using your phone regularly or by shopping from it. For example, with Swagbucks, you can earn passive income by watching ads, shopping online, and scanning your receipts. Trim is an app that identifies subscriptions that you may be paying too much for or are no longer using. Trim earns you reverse passive income by saving you money every month that you had been spending beforehand. Acorns is a roundup app that rounds up all transactions to the nearest dollar and automatically invests the extra money. You can select your investment strategy, and Acorns does the rest. 26. Selling digital artwork on Etsy. Selling digital artwork on Etsy is an excellent passive income idea for artists looking to make money on their drawings, paintings, and other works. There are many ways to sell digital artwork, and Etsy is a popular way to do it. Etsy is a great place to start selling your artwork because of how much traffic the site gets and how easy it is to set up a shop. Etsy is free to use, and you can set your own prices. People trust Etsy, which means you don't have to create a website to sell your art and worry about people not trusting the payment process. 27. Flipping websites. This semi-passive income idea involves buying existing websites and selling them for a profit at a later date. You can do this on Flippa. The website you purchase should have good content, a large audience, and making some income already. It is recommended that you spend some time improving the website before selling it. 28. Buying and selling domains. Another semi-passive income idea is to buy and sell domains. In order to make money with this method, you'll want to buy or register domain names that you feel will become more valuable in the future. Names that include catchy phrases or potential business names can be very valuable in the future because they're easy to remember and may be desirable to someone one day. .com sites are by far the most valuable domain extensions because they're the most well-known. 29. Selling WordPress themes. If you've got talent at web design, one form of passive income is creating and selling WordPress themes. Some themes allow users to buy and customize them and rebrand them as their own. You can take a customizable theme and make your own version of it, and from there, sell it to bloggers and webmasters. You'll need to know how WordPress themes work and how to create or customize them. This is a skill that you can develop simply through practice. 30. Be a silent business partner. Silent business partners invest financially in a company while allowing a partner to take care of daily operations. You'll receive a portion of the profits regularly because you own a portion of the company. Many companies, especially startups, seek funding, and some will give partial ownership of their company in exchange for this funding, which will allow you to earn passive income without having to run a business. 31. Rent out your stuff. This passive income idea involves renting your stuff out online. You can do this on the site FriendWitha. You'll take pictures of whatever is you want to rent and then create an ad online. Common things to rent out to people in the area include furniture, laptops, lawn care equipment, kitchenware and baby stuff. We hope these 31 ideas have given you inspiration to start a passive income stream. Let us know how you get on and leave a comment below.